everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the main gates designs and some modern front door designs ideas. So if you are searching for the main gate designs, then this video is totally for you. Please watch it till the end and I am sure that this video will really help you a lot and really inspire you as well. So basically, if I talk about the front door, so the front door is often the focal point of a home exterior. A door is the first thing guests see when they arrive, and it is the last thing they contemplate after leaving. It is visited daily by the mail delivery, and it gives potential buyers something to remember the house by. An ordinary home can become the house with the red door, with nothing more than a simple coat of paint, while a magnificent piece of architecture can rely on a unique door style to tie its exterior design together. Why settle with normal? So this video is showing you some of the modern style main door designs, and this video will really inspire you. So I will recommend you that please do not skip this video. Watch it till the end. Here you are watching the latest door designs of the main door designs. Entrance or main door is the most appealing part of any house. The style of entrance door adds charm and character to the home decor. Nowadays, we have ample refreshing the enticing main entrance door designs available in the market. From wooden doors to high-end French doors, Indian homes are now beautifully loaded with classy entrance door designs. Here is a fabulous door design catalog you can refer for choosing the most contemporary and ravishing entrance door for your beautiful home. The glass doors never fail to add more elegance and charm to the homes. Glass doors are combined with wood and various other materials for preparing unique main doors. For sliding and swinging main doors, you can choose a designer glass door with pastel and white shades and enhance the look of your home entrance with a modern appeal. Wood is a luxurious and rich material widely used for constructing PVC doors, windows and other furniture items. Due to the durability and the lavish look wooden doors offer, entrance doors are prepared using this material. If you want to give an extraordinary look to your entrance, choose a custom design raunchy steel entrance door to blend with the fabulous brick wooden walls. Blending metal doors with rustic walls will bring a very modern and refreshing feel to your entrance. French doors bring a contemporary and chic look to the homes. If you love refreshing and light entrance, combine the French doors with beautiful casement designs to make your entrance look fabulous. If you love a stylish and peaceful Asian interior, here is a cool way to incorporate the sober and classic entrance to your home. Choose a light and simple pivot timber entrance door and let it grab everyone's attention. Single door designs are awesome when you have a small space for entrance doors. Single doors won't occupy much space and will give a nourishing and dark look to your entrance. The vintage style doors are surprising and cool. You can choose wooden panel doors for brightening up your entrance with a dark and cozy feel. One of the most traditional and classy entrance door designs is the wooden panel doors. These doors are durable and offer tight security along with giving a modern look to the entrance. If you want a fresh country style entrance door, here is a design you can choose. For your brick walls, install a pleasing glazed Carolina style entrance door and add more value to your home entrance. If you like to experiment with different shades, here's something you will love. What about a grey composite entrance door with horizontal slatted pattern with paneled framing? This is a strong and secure entrance door design you can select for your entrance. If you have got stone walls and a beautiful entrance, brighten it up with a classic rustic door. Choose a light slatted wooden door with rustic handles and panel design for traditional appeal. The mid-century modern doors are crafted from different metals and different shades. For a tough door and amazing craftsmanship, select a stylish material huge door with a fancy look for your entrance. For your pretty farmhouse style home, choose a warm and welcoming entryway. Add a pleasing and fancy entrance door with casement, glass panels, and cool golden framing. This will give you a very classy look to your entrance. Want to give your home a very modern and extraordinary look? Here is a fabulous way to add more swag to your entryway. Choose a beautiful Dutch style door with double openings and eye-catchy shade and lighten up your entrance as never before. So here in this video you are watching some of the best designs of main doors. I am sure that this video will really inspire you, will really help you a lot. Do not skip it. Watch it till the end, and after watching share your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.